Taxes may seem complicated, but they're actually pretty straightforward for most people. Let's break down how taxes work and how the IRS fits into the picture. Taxes are mandatory financial charges imposed by the government on individuals and businesses.
But what the hell, boy?
These funds are used to pay for public services such as roads, schools, emergency services, and national defense. Essentially, taxes are a way for everyone to contribute to the overall functioning and development of the country. Now, the IRS, or Internal Revenue Service, is the U.S. government agency responsible for collecting taxes and enforcing tax laws. They ensure everyone pays their fair share to fund these essential public services.
Get the fuck out of here, bitch! Woo!
The IRS plays a crucial role in maintaining the tax system and ensuring compliance with tax laws. If you're working a job, your employer typically withholds a portion of your paycheck for taxes and sends it to the IRS on your behalf. This system ensures you don't have to worry about setting aside money for taxes throughout the year. When you receive your paycheck, the taxes have already been deducted.
Yeah, boy.
At the end of the year, you'll receive a W-2 form from your employer, summarizing how much you earned and how much tax was withheld. If you had multiple jobs, you'll get a W-2 form from each employer. Now let's talk about filing your tax return. Filing a tax return means reporting your income to the IRS and claiming any deductions or credits you're eligible for. This determines whether you've paid too much tax throughout the year and are owed a refund, or if you owe more tax. There are many IRS-approved free websites like Free Tax USA that can help you file your tax return. These platforms guide you through the process, asking simple questions about your income, deductions, and credits. They'll even do all the math for you. Deductions reduce your taxable income, which can lower the amount of tax you owe. Common deductions include medical expenses, business expenses, and the standard deduction, which everyone can claim. After entering all your information, the tax software will calculate your total tax owed and compare it to what was already withheld from your paycheck. If you overpaid, the IRS will issue you a refund. If you underpaid, you'll need to pay the remaining amount. Now, what about tax tips and tricks? While there are legal ways to reduce your tax bill, like contributing to a retirement account or reinvesting business profits, most of these strategies are more beneficial for those with higher incomes. If you're self-employed or have a side hustle, you can deduct business expenses from your income, reducing your taxable income. For example, if you buy equipment for your business, you can deduct the cost from your profits. If you ever make a mistake on your tax return, the IRS will usually notify you and give you a chance to correct it. Honest mistakes are typically easy to fix, but deliberate tax evasion can result in severe penalties. Remember, the IRS is there to help ensure everyone pays their fair share, and there are plenty of resources available to make filing your taxes as easy as possible.